Where should I place my crystals in my home or office? Placing crystals in different areas of your home or workspace will help with the vibrational positive environment that you live in or work in. Here are some of my best locations. One is your front door or your entryway. Some protection you want there, so you want positive energy in that space. So use black tourmaline to absorb negative energy, or black obsidian to provide that strong protection from any negativity entering, and even clear quartz to amplify positive energy in your home. Your living room, amethyst to promote calm and peaceful atmosphere and harmony and relaxation, and rose quartz to encourage love and positive relationships, and selenite to clear any stagnant energy and keep your space peaceful. A little tip, keep your crystals on a coffee table or a shelf to balance the energy of the room. Your bedroom, for restful sleep and love. Amethyst, it will aid in relaxation. Moonstone, promoting restful sleep and emotional healing. Rose quartz for your self-love and romantic relationships. And as a little tip, place a crystal under the sheet where your pillow lies to keep them in place, or put them on a nightstand or your bedside table. In an office or workspace, you want to focus on success and power, or maybe even both of those things. Use citrine to draw in success, abundance, motivation, and fluorite for concentration and mental clarity, and tiger's eye to increase confidence and decision making. Keep the crystals on your desk or next to your computer so you can look at them and see them to reap their benefits. You can also put them in your kitchen for nourishment and positive energy. Carnelian, which will encourage creativity and good energy while you're cooking, or a clear quartz to amplify intentions and get a nice balanced atmosphere in the space. You can place them on a kitchen counter or a dining table to have that focus point and uplifting energy. Your bathroom for cleansing and renewal. Aquamarine will help for relaxation, going with the flow. You can also use clear quartz to amplify any intentions when possibly meditating in this space. Keep the crystals on a shelf or by the bathtub edge, and it will encourage self-care and renewal. You can also go for meditations or spiritual spaces for inner peace and intuition. Labradorite will strengthen your intuition and spiritual growth and transformation and change. Selenite to create high vibrational, peaceful atmospheres. And amethyst for deepening meditation and connecting with your higher self. You can place them on an altar, maybe a yoga mat, a meditation space, and this will really enhance your spiritual energy. You can also put them in your garden or a balcony for grounding and growth. Moss agate, this will encourage plant growth and connection with nature. Green aventurine, bringing luck and positive energy to your outdoor spaces. You can bury crystals in the soil, near plants, or near or close to outdoor furniture for grounding energy. I hope you enjoy these tips and hints, and let me know in the comments below where you place your crystals and which ones you use. If you enjoy this how-to, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an episode. If you're eager to take your learning even further, I'd love to invite you to join my monthly subscription. Simply follow the link in the show notes and become part of a vibrant community where we dive deep into crystal healing techniques. Through guided online tutorials with me, you'll have the opportunity to practice crystal healing in the comfort of your own home, plus receive ethically sourced crystals delivered straight to your door every month. I'd be thrilled to have you join us and look forward to seeing you in the community. Until next time, love and light.